Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by selecting a clear source face and a target image with similar angle and lighting so results look natural. Once chosen, open a photo editor or dedicated face swap tool that supports layers and masks. You'll crop each face tightly, align eyes and mouths roughly, and save copies so you can revert. Do this now. These initial alignments drastically reduce blending work later and make automated tools perform better. Next, refine alignment using transform and warp. Match scale, rotation, and perspective so key landmarks overlap. Once aligned, add a layer mask and paint soft transitions with a low-opacity brush to blend edges. This preserves texture while hiding seams. Then match color and tone. Sample skin areas and adjust curves or color balance to match temperature and brightness. Make small iterative tweaks. This step is where a believable composite is created, so take your time to inspect details. To finish, retouch small mismatches with dodge and burn, clone stamping, or frequency separation to harmonize texture and fine lines. Once done, check global sharpness and noise. Apply a subtle grain layer to unify both faces and avoid a pasted look. Export a high-quality copy, and if you see artifacts or color shifts, revert to your saved backup and realign or redo the color match. This troubleshooting loop is often faster than trying many micro-adjustments on a broken composite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.